So let's read question number 6 and identify what bias is present in there and how can we address such. Okay, let's read this one in here. Leah Jones, go ahead please. The village of Oak Lawn.
The village of Oak Lawn wishes to conduct a study regarding the income level of households within the village. The village manager selects 10 homes in the southwest corner of the village and sends an interviewer to the home to determine household income.
Okay, so Oak Lawn, she decided to select 10 homes in what? Just one corner of that village, right? So what's the problem with that one? Definitely with the sampling, right?
Yeah.
Why did she choose just the southwest corner, right? What about the northeast? What about the east corner as well, right? Why is it that, right? So the problem with this one is what? Bias by proximity, right? It might have been that the researcher is close to those respondents on the southwest corner, but not on the rest of them, right? So how to remedy that? What do we do? I would say do cluster sampling,
Clusters, yeah.
right? Cluster sampling and get respondents from each of them. Are we good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Next one. Question number 7. All right. Let's read that one in here. Liana, go ahead, please. An anti-gun advocate.
An anti-gun advocate wants to estimate the percentage of people who favor stricter gun laws. He conducts a nationwide survey of 1,200 randomly selected folks 18 years old and older. The interviewer asked the respondents, do you favor harsher penalties for individuals who sell guns illegally?
All right. So what do you think is the problem with that one? Is it on the sampling? Is it on the question? Is it on how he conduct the study? What do you think?
The
The question itself, very good, right? As you may notice, this is just a what? A yes/no question,
Yeah.
right? With that, right? So I would say the best thing for that one is to what? Make it what? An open-ended question, maybe stating the reason why they favor harsher penalties for individuals who sell guns illegally. Good? Other than making it a yes/no question.
That's good. Yeah.
Right? And the last one, question number 8. Let's read that one in here. Caroline, go ahead, please. Suppose you are.
Suppose you are conducting a survey regarding the sleeping habits of students. From a list of registered students, you obtain a simple random sample of 150 students. One student question is, how much sleep do you get? Answer the question.
Okay, so sleeping habits. Now, the question is what? How much sleep do you get, right? So does that actually address the sleeping habits of students if you're just talking about how long of a sleep they actually got? Well, you're talking about the what? The extent of the sleep. Is it a deep sleep or long hours of sleep? But what the habits of sleeping are, it does not address that. So what do? Definitely, you word the question so that it would address the sleeping habits instead of just the hours, how much they sleep, right? So
Yeah.
once again, check on these sampling bias, all right? Leads to skewed findings, under coverage. Convenience for the researcher does not actually, address the research findings in its authentic way, right? Non-response, it might be refusal of the respondents. Response, bias, when they cannot truly express their opinion or thought, right? Interviewer error. Interviewer should not have any emotion, right? When doing the interview, conducting the interview. Misrepresented answer, so be careful with the information supplied to the respondents. Wording. Typically, avoid yes or no question. Ordering, you shuffle them, all right? The type of question, data entry can be done by how reliable the raters are and some other non-sampling biases. All right. Thank you, guys.